Okay. This one where they look up and down, up and right, up and right. You sure say that they road to your village with this?
Will you shut the fuck over there? Listen to me, man. All you need to do is drive and let me do the talking. I know where I'm going. This is the right place.
No verse, I just the ass.
Let's go. We're home, man. Ain't no place like home. Home, sweet home. But wait a minute.
Okay, without reach.
Oh, man, this don't look like my home, man. I think we're lost. Come here, man. Come here. You know what I think, man? We lost, man. We're in the wrong place, my brother.
I talk I think I talk why will they come? We don't, they carry me waka here. I don't know how.
Will you shut the fuck up? What you trying to say, man? Yo, man, this is where I was born, man. This is my hometown, man. It's just that it's been a while since I left this motherfucker, man. And everywhere looked the same. You know what I'm saying? Hey.
So what do you want me to do now?
Hey, Margaret. Hey, Maggie. Wake up, baby. What you doing, man?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est what?
Oh, we are home already. Oh, my world. Oh, it's beautiful.
Honey, we ain't home. We lost, man.
No, you're kidding me.
Kidding you?
You're kidding me.
Hey, baby, I'm not kidding you. I'm for real.
Oh.
Oga, madam, kidding or no kidding, we don't arrive here. If I go move this motor, is additional 5,000. I don't spend all my food, don't finish. Kidding you on the road. I am tired.
Shut the fuck up. Do you know the personality of the woman standing before you? Do you know this is my lovely wife? Do you know who you're talking to?
It's okay, darling. Kentua.
Into a what?
Baby! Baby, it's okay. Where are we?
Honey, we're almost home, but we're not home yet, though. We're kind of lost.
Looks like a jungle somewhere.
Baby, this is my hometown. You better shut the fuck up.
I'm scared, Mom. You need to be, darling. Come on.
Oga, qu'est-ce que c'est, for my language is my money. If I move this motor again, from here is additional 5,000 naira.
Kentua.
No be Kentua matter.
You know what? We've not been around for ages. We've been in the United States of America, we've been in UK, and now we're in Paris. Can't you see we don't even know our way around? Please just take it easy with us, Kentua. Now take us to Omochi.
We no get Omochi for this village.
What the fuck is Omoche?
Oh baby, that's our hometown.
I remember. Hey, hold up, man. Hold up there.
Okay, honey.
Honey, I tell you what, come on, man. You know what you do now, man? Take us back to Omoche.
We don't get Omoche for this community. We have Omocha.
Oh yeah, that's it, Omocha. That's it,
yeah.
Oh, honey, get into the car. Oh, he looks scary. Oh, something beats me, honey.
Don't tell me your junk ass car just got stuck in the middle of nowhere.
It be like, don't spoil.
You crazy.
In the middle of the jungle? What if we get eaten by some wild animals? Oh, God!
We'll go join hand, more push the motor.
How dare you say that?
No verse. I say we. Oyibo, more push the motor.
Dare you ask my daughter to push the car? Daddy, do you hear that?
What's in I talk where they bad?
Everything you did was wrong. Do you know who she is?
Tell him, baby.
Did you ask my daughter to push the car? My princess? Nigga? Oh my goodness. Do you know who she is?
Tell him, baby.
Do you know who you're talking to?
No, tell him, baby.
That's the first daughter of Paris, man. You know what I'm talking about? That's my daughter, the first princess of Paris.
Tell him, baby.
Something gotta be wrong with your head.
I don't know where be Paris.
Paris, motherfucker. The capital city of France, situated on Siena River. North of the country, right?
Tell him, baby.
Motherfucker, that's where we coming from. All the way from over there. Now, nigga, on your knees. And don't say please, because I got the keys.
That's it, baby.
Hey, man, I'm paying for this motherfucking service. Aight? So my family and I ain't got nothing to do with your problems, eh? Go fix your car alone. Did you hear me?
No verse. I just want maybe say we'll go on time. No verse.
Umuocha community.
We're in Umuocha community.
Yes, the people are in Umuocha.
You are sure?
Yes.
Thank you.
Naluno.
Oga, come down, don't reach your community. Come down. Bring my money, fast.
Did I hear you say money?
Yes.
Why you always talking money, nigga? Take me to my father's compound, then I'ma pay your ass.
Oga, give me my money. I am tired. I want to go to the house. Give me my money.
Are you shouting back at me? What the fuck wrong with you?
Give me my money. Give me my money. Stop. Give me my money.
Don't stop. No. Please. What is going on here? Please don't.
This boy is rude. You are a rude boy. You don't know how to address elders. He's rude.
Wait a minute. I think I recognize this face. I know this face. Okonta. So this is Okonta. Hey! Okonta! Hey! Okonta!
Why are you jumping like a frog?
Who the fuck are you?
Okechi Wobika.
You mean Aibe? Aibe, my brother?
Okonta!
My brother! Look at you, man. Hey, what's the secret, man? You looking so young, man. AJ never caught up with you.
So you're still alive?
Who, me? Dead?
20 good years.
I'm wrong with your fucking head. Check me out, I'm bouncing, man. I'm bouncing. Hey.
Onatago,
lot of Roibo. Then what Okanta? Okanta. Who is this woman?
It's my lovely wife, man.
Oh, Magidia.
Yeah.
Magidia.
Yeah.
No, I'm not Maggie, I'm Margaret.
Margaret, yeah.
Then what Magidia? Magidia Oyota. Magidia Oyota. Magidia Oyota. Okanta.
That's my pretty daughter. That's my princess.
That's my baby.
Okanta. Imo Oyota. Okanta Mola Oyota. Oromo Basono. Hey! Okanta.
I pay or whatever the fuck your name is. Take my black ass home. I've been on the road forever.
Okanta. Obeba.
Which way? This way. Ain't nothing changing this hood, man. After all these years. Why?
Blame it on our politicians. Because nobody influential has risen in this community. The government has forgotten us. Nobody remembers us. No light, no water, bad roads everywhere.
I knew it! Oh my word!
And it ain't never gonna change, right? It's never gonna change.
Chachano, until mother Ebine.
But I tell you what, Spunky Brown is in town. So y'all need to bow down, unless you want to be a clown.
Spunky Brand.
No! It's not Spunky! It's called Spunky Brown! That's my husband! He's a popular hip-hop star in America! Oh yeah! That's him, baby!
Let me tell you something, man. It ain't like the old days, man. This is now, brother. But I'm gonna make one impression for you, so that you can correct that shit. Don't call me no Okunta. My name is Spunky.
Spunky.
Colonial names are gone with the time, brother. We're living in the digital world right now, man. You know what I'm saying? It ain't about mano and shit, man. My name is Spunky Brown, and I'm up in your town, so you need to bow down. I am a superstar in America. When I say superstar, I'm a rapper, man. They know me all over the world. I'm surprised y'all motherfuckers don't know me here, man.
Spunky.
Well, that's why I came back. You know what? The federal government knows I'm here. They're going to bring development to every nook and cranny of the town. So let them know that Spunky is in town. Let me hear you say Spunky. Spunky. I'm Spunky. And ain't nothing funny about my money. Come on, nigga, let's go. And the youth, you know what you need to do? I want you all to go home and go freshen up. Come back because I got a whole lot of goodies. Got so much goodies for you, man. You know them stuff from the States and shit? Like toffees and chocolate and stuff like that. Yeah. Go home and freshen up, man. Come back. All right?
Okay.
Ibe, open the door, please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Uncle Ibe, open the door, please.
Nobody lives there. Oh, we are surprised as how neat.
Yeah.
How tidy the company is. It's I sent my kids to come and tidy up this place. At least
once in 2 weeks. That's why it is late.
You are really a good brother indeed.
Thank you.
Where can I be without you, man?
Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle Ibe.
Thank you.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you.
I'm going to spoil you with goodies.
Oh, goodies. They're in those bags the driver took in.
Oh, no. You see, we just came back with just a few of our luggages, man.
Oh, yeah.
All our valuables and stuff are still in Lagos, man, with all the money.
Okay.
So I'm going to go get them. You know what, man? I am going to spoil everybody in this village with gifts and money.
Absolutely, baby.
When all my luggages come back. Yeah.
You have made it big. Oh, God. My man, shut up. Spunky. I know you will make it.
Yeah.
You have made it.
Oga. Time, I want to go. My money.
Hey! You're rude! You are a rude boy! I said it before, you are rude! Can't you see he's talking to Uncle Ibe? You're rude! Baby, he's rude!
Just let him be. I'm about to plug off his fucking mouth.
Uh-huh!
How much money do I owe you anyway that I can't breathe?
5,000 under my money.
What? Did I hear you say 5 what? I thought you said $3! Oh, sorry. I thought you said 3K.
3K, I thought that before. Yes, what can't it be this?
You're rude!
No, madam, no, be rude, madam. No,
You're rude!
When I carry me, they type up and down. What can't it be?
You're rude! You're rude!
Please, I understand this man very well. Don't fight him. Don't quarrel with him. You have this money inside. Go and bring that 5,000 and give to him. Let him go on with his business.
Simple.
Mommy doesn't want to fight us.
He's rude! Don't do that to her! Don't do that to her! You're rude!
Come on, man. We ain't got all our luggages back, you know what I'm saying? What we use over there in Europe is euro, not naira.
Yes.
So if I change all my money, man, it's gonna be a whole lot of naira up in
Which
there.
means if you change it, you will have plenty money.
Of course.
So why
But
do
the
you
point is, it's not here though. Everything is in Lagos. So if you can settle this brat, man, give him that 5,000. It's just about 35,000 naira. You know what I mean?
5,000.
Yeah.
There's no problem.
When I change my money, I'm gonna pay you double, man. I swear to God, I'll do that.
Spunky,
Man,
I will give him
My
the money.
word
Now
is my bond.
the problem is that the money is not here. That means I will go to my house, get the money and pay him.
Yeah.
Then I come back and go with him. Let me take it. Now, let me go and pay the boss.
but you know what though? At this house, even though you clean it every day, it's gonna need to be cleaned up again. It's kind of dirty, man. You know what I'm saying?
Don't worry. That one is not a problem. They are not making it.
We're gonna need somebody to clean the house.
I will bring my daughter. I will just install my daughter. We are coming.
You know, I be man.
Daddy!
It's okay, honey. We're good.
He's a rude boy! Come to the day! Thank you so much! Thank you! Merci beaucoup! This is why you came with it.
No, it's not that I come with the taxi. There's no problem. It's Okonta, my brother. You remember my brother Okonta, the one that lives abroad? He returned this afternoon.
Nayo Okonta came back to this village.
Okonta is back with the wife and their beautiful daughter. They call her Oledo.
Hey!
If you see this girl, she is a definition of Oledo. Pure definition of Oledo. Gold.
You mean Okonta is back?
Wait, Papa. Who is it you said came back?
Your uncle now, Uncle Okonta. Oh, you won't remember him. You were so small, so tender when he left this land so many years ago. They returned this afternoon. He came back with a wife and their beautiful daughter.
Uncle Okonta?
Yes.
I know him!
You remember him?
He's in this village.
Okonta.
Can we go and see him?
You can go. I thought they're looking for somebody to clean up their house.
I'll clean it.
And I told them I will
I'll
send
clean
you.
it.
Just go.
Can I go? Hey! Okonta is back.
After how many years?
Hey!
What is this all for? Going back something?
He's He's gonna be here in a little bit. Just hold on, okay?
Oh, God. Wait a minute, Daddy. Wait a minute. Are you sorry you said you put up a mansion here? Where's the pool? The gym house? Oh, yeah, I'm a super mother, Daddy. I know the gym. I need a gym. You don't expect me to go back looking all pleasant. Daddy!
Honey, it's a long story. Check this out. Come on. You want me to break it down to you? Check this out. I sent the money to my brother, the late Ezechi, to build the mansion. To my surprise, he squandered the whole money with women, alcohol, and clubbing. I was about to get his ass arrested when I found out he died. Honey, do I look like I'm telling a lie? Do I look like a liar to you?
Daddy! Huh?
Honey, nothing but the truth.
Mommy! Oh, don't get me in there, please. Oh, God! I'm hot here!
It's okay.
Oh, my God! What's this?
It's okay, honey. Uncle Ivy will soon be here. Take it easy.
I need a dip in your water! I'm in the pool! Okay, baby, good try. That's crazy, that's crazy. Good try, baby.
Somewhere very important. We are going to Amarachi's uncle's house. You know, our father just told us that his uncle just returned with his wife and his Obodo Ibo daughter. Obodo Ibo? Yes. A white girl? Yes. My uncle has a daughter who is Oyibo. Can I come with you people? Biko, no, please don't say no. I know I'm your friend. Biko, no, Biko. I'm me. Biko, no. Obodo Ibo. My name is Amarachi. Your brother, Ibe, is my father.
Okay. Are they your sisters?
No, but they're my friends.
Nice to meet all of you.
My father said that you need help cleaning the house.
Yes. Just go in there and clean the whole place. It's very nasty. And before you know it, my daughter will get along with all of you. If she finds out you're a very distant, clean, obedient girl, you'll be her best friend. Just go in there. All right?
If you see Okonta, my brother, hey, Okonta looks very much younger than his age. Hey! And he said he is a popular American rapper. American rapper? He even said he lived in France. Hey! That means now Okonta will be very rich by now. Oh yes! Okonta has made plenty money. Okonta po banata. Hey! Foreign currency all of. He said, what did he call this one? He called it pound. No, not pound. Pound. Okay, Elizano. Hey! Now it's not pound. He called it euro. You know euro is stronger and a bigger currency than pound, dollar, and so on. Hey! Oh, you must say, my king, take it down. Oh, my king will be like a yo-yo. Okonta said he is going to attract the government presence and attention into our doorsteps. What do better say, Mepadi? Okwewonenu eberi na chabari ewe nnodiziane ewenko asasemu okonga Okonta wonne ma alona. Nai, then what am I waiting for? Case you got the hand noted. Can you let me guys say hello to them now? Like this, go to the Konya General Secretary. Look at you now. Listen, what you will do is go in, put on something more presentable. One hour, take your bath. Waru. Tell Mari Chude, when we Manunu. What you have on this show, but I need your chassis over the one. Quit trying for me. I don't.
This is one thing I don't like about you. Just to go and see Nayo Kunta and Magini Edim. I have to go and bath. Take wood, Neluya. Does that mean I'm smelling?
I saw cleanliness.
Because I'm in this village. Maybe I might be white though.
If you don't want to see his Obodo daughter and the Maggie, who has turned white now, you go in and stay. Up home.
It's true. Hey, Nayo Kunta is back with his family.
I told you he prefers being called Spunky.
Spunky Brown, nigga. That's my motherfucking name.
That is it.
Before you put your ass to shame, then you have yourself to blame. So, nigga, what's my motherfucking name?
Spunky Brown.
There you go.
That is what I told her.
That is it, baby. My husband told me that you people are back. I do not believe it. Oh. Hey, you are welcome. All of you are looking great. You are welcome. Thank you very much. How are you?
You can say that again. You're looking good too. You know what? Time ain't never caught up with you. As a matter of fact, you're looking young and edible. That's incredible, but still believable.
Yeah, baby. Thank you. Thank you. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Also, me okay.
I'm okay. How's Quack and daughter?
You know, it's been long they left for Obodo Ibo. And they might have forgotten our own tongue, our language.
Yes, honey.
Daddy. I didn't want.
Oh, honey, it's okay. You mean you're hungry?
Yeah, Daddy.
Okay.
I need a dessert. Chocolates, cakes, yeah, ice creams with chocolate toppings, blushing berry. Oh, Daddy!
Honey,
yes.
It's okay, honey. It's okay.
Please, somebody should interpret to us what she's saying. No? We don't know.
She's trying to tell you what she wants to eat. Baby boy, you can't eat that here in the village. You only get all that in France.
Oh, Daddy, who got me here? Oh, God.
It's okay, baby. Kentua.
It's okay, honey.
Oh, God, who got me here?
It's all right. She's only trying to tell us what she want to eat. And that's the kind of food she eats in France.
But you know we can't get such things here in this village now. What do we do now?
You mean she does not eat what to eat in this village? Oh, she's going to get used to it.
Don't worry about it. My wife here knows what to do. We came back with some of that food, you know what I'm saying? But what you need to do now that is very important is fix something that my wife and I can manage. You know what I'm saying? Just for now.
Let me can prepare you people something. But now I cannot do that alone. Come and join me.
All right, we will be right back. Let me go and help her. I'm going to offense salad.
Offense salad. The white one, offense salad. That's good.
Honey?
Yeah, baby.
Which one is offense salad?
Oh, the white soup.
The one with soup that is white? Okay, honey.
Good work.
I need coffee, Daddy. I need chocolates. I need ice creams.
Coming up shortly.
Okonta, my brother. Okonta. How young and vibrant Okonta has become. You can say
that again, I'm afraid. What
do you mean?
I don't know whether I'll be able to meet up, to that taste. As in the obodo yibo.
Thank you. You want to fail. I will be very much ashamed of you if you fail to prepare what my brother and his obodo wife and daughter will like.
Now why are you sounding like this? Why are you sounding like this? See, it's not that I don't know what to cook. Come on, but these people, I don't know what to cook for them. I don't know. I don't know. See, it will need big amount of money.
Biankiru. You guys see each other go when I order.
No, to be
you want to excuse yourself because of money, or you follow me inside. I will give you whatever amount of money you like. You must cook something that my brother and your daughter and wife will like. Or you follow me. Let me give you money. Okay, we are back already.
I'm back.
Are you sure you got everything that will make this food delicious?
No, I did.
Okay. You are welcome. Like I was saying, make sure you prepare something they will appreciate. Remember that they are from Obodo Ibo. They don't just eat anything.
You said that before, and I've heard you. I'm going to prepare what they will like. Trust me on that now.
That's all. Very smart.
What do you expect somebody that was born and brought up in Obodo Ibo to look like? Hi. I wonder, in fact, no need to wonder. I am sure since the day they give birth to her, her skin has never seen the sun.
Of course! Didn't you see how her skin looks like that of a newborn baby? The part that sweet me most was when her mom said we could stand a chance of following her to abroad.
Me too. Ami, see I am ready to do everything to please that your cousin. Just for me to follow her to Obodo Ibo. See me, I want to marry a white man. Well, it is not just her you have to be nice to. There is me too that you need to be good to. Because she is my cousin. And as you both know, I have the power to influence her on who to like and on who not to like.
Please now, we are your friends, so you can't do this to us now.
Ame, please, don't spoil your cousin's mind where we are. We are your childhood friends, so. Well, for now, I won't. Anything. But you both have to be good to me. Very, very good to me. So bad. Thank you. You want to yeah. Yeah, for her. Can't they go for her? Big I want to walk like Oyibo. Yes. Ha! Oh, baby! Now. I was a little taller. What? One. Kill it, no what's up? Oh, you walk.
You don't like the cases?
This is awesome. I love it. But you know what? We can manage this. You know what? Since we're gonna be here for a while, we might as well get used to food like this.
The food tastes good. I must confess, you cook well.
Oh yes, she's a very good cook, and I also assisted her too.
You did?
Yes. What about your daughter? Can she test it?
No, she can't test this. She's gonna throw up if she tests it.
Oh,
but never mind. I'm gonna prepare something else for her.
That's right.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, Ivy, man.
Yeah.
You know, for something good like this, man, it's gotta go with some married up with, some very refreshing. You know what I'm talking about.
I get you. Swaggy Brown.
There you go.
I know what you're saying. Am I not an original Igbo man?
Oh.
So I will go out there and get you a keg of palm wine for you to settle this. first and wash down.
While you people enjoy your food, I'll come back for the place.
Oh! Merci beaucoup. On se pose. Merci beaucoup. Il a son chaleur, you vois. Hey! Oh!
I was dying of hunger.
You see what I'm doing?
Jesus.
Oh, you push it this way.
The real way. The real tradition.
Oh, Daddy! Mommy? What you guys doing?
Honey, we're sorry. Why don't you just test it, see if you're gonna like it?
Oh, Daddy, that's not fair.
Come on now.
Test it, go ahead.
Come on, honey, what's your hand and test it?
Oh.
You know how to boil it too.
Yeah, Daddy. Yeah, I like it.
Oh, good food, baby. You know what they call it? Soul food. That's what we call it back in the States. Soul food. Man. Food that is made at home. From the soul. Let's sit down, baby. Come on.
My eyes must deceive me, whoa.
Nigga, your eyes ain't deceiving you, man. Ain't that okay, K?
Yes! I am okay. You still remember Ndoka?
Man, what the fuck wrong with you, man? I know who the fucking Ndoka is, man. The only thing is that certain things about his fucking face never change, man. You know that sexy nose and the bump on the face? You used to seduce them bitches, man. That shit ain't never changed, man. Yeah.
Once again, you're all welcome.
Thank you. Are you okay? Are you okay?
What's an idiot okay? I'm okay. You people now speak like Ndiocha. I heard you have an Obodo Yibo daughter.
Oh, Adoledo. Where's she, honey?
She's gone to bed, baby.
Oh, going to bed by this hour of the day?
That's exactly the time she goes to bed when she was in Paris and when she was in Oxford University in UK.
Do you mean your daughter also attended the popular Oxford University?
Oh, yeah. She got her master's there, and I got my PhD there, too.
Exactly. When I moved from America to France, my wife went back to school and obtained her PhD because she got the pedigree.
Tell them, baby. Tell them, baby.
Ogonta, my friend, a whole lot has happened.
Yeah.
Can you tell us about your movement in Obodo Yibo?
The pleasure is mine. I'm ready to tell you, brother. Yeah, the pleasure is mine.
I beg to take my leave.
What kind of Maggie? What kind of Maggie? Look at the skin.
Even my wife?
Yes.
Oh, she's beautiful, man.
Oh,
No doubt, she's a beautiful woman.
Come and sit down. Listen. Let me get one more chair. Then I
Welcome. Mama, where is Papa?
He's here there.
Till now? It should be around past 8, oh.
Hey, you know it's been ages. It's been ages. They have a lot to talk about.
It's true. It's true, sir.
I'll go to Kwadum.
please go get me something.
Mama, that food is too sweet. Very sweet and rich. Mama, I cannot remember the last time we made that type of food. No, now.
What do you expect? You know they came back from Obodo Yibo, and your father brought reasonable amount of money. so we can cook what will fit in the obodo yibo. Hey. I know you like it.
Like I said earlier, I left Lagos for America. You know what I mean? When I came into America, it was a little rough though. But at the point, I blew up. I became big and shit. Then I decided to relocate to France. When I arrived to Paris, man, things became kind of rough. I roamed the street of Paris just to find something to eat. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I did all kinds of dirty jobs just to survive. I did drugs.
You did drugs?
I did women.
Smoking. You did? White women.
Man, what the fuck wrong with you, man? You so fucking naive, man. What is so special about French or white women?
Gee.
Man, I had them bitches at my disposal when I made it to the limelight.
Gee.
Small thing, man.
You mean after you became a popular musician?
Hey! How the fuck did you know that, man? I wouldn't even got into that.
Mazibe told us on our way coming. He
Yes,
said that
I
you're a
told them.
popular French-American musician. In fact, that you be a Igbo rapper. That's what he said.
Man, my brother, I'm a hip-hop star, you know what I'm saying? And I make it to the limelight at the age of 30. What age was I?
Age 27, when you migrated from Lagos to France.
You damn right. You see, that's why I like you, man. You still have that sharp brain that you possessed when we were much younger.
Yeah, my brother.
You see, anyway, when I arrived to Paris, man, things became so rough. But I struggled as a young man to survive in a foreign land. You know what I mean?
Hey, Mama, you're back. Go ahead, Lee.
I closed because I want to go and see Okonta and the family. I had their return today. Let me go before they get to bed.
Papa is even there.
Akopana.
Since afternoon, no, he's been there.
Hi! You see your papa, Anyway, I know they will have a lot to discuss because it's been a long time, Keep this thing inside. Let me rush.
Mama, don't fail to come back with Papa.
And
make sure you come back on time.
I will.
One thing most people fail to understand is that New York isn't just a beautiful city. It's a city so nice, they named it twice. New York, New York. Man, come on, man. What's wrong with y'all niggas, man? Look at your keke. Every time I'm trying to tell my story, your ass is slipping.
I am awake. I'm
Anyway, after I made money at the age of 35, you know what I mean? When I decided to bring my wife over. You remember?
Yes, I remember. I remember.
You remember? You remember? Yes. So, good. Now, when I now relocated back, and my wife came over to be with me in 1986 in New York.
Hey!
Who is this lady?
Thank God, you people are here. I was scared. Now Okonta and the family must have gone to bed.
Who is she?
That's the boy.
Yeah.
My wife.
Yes.
Thank God that she's here.
I told you.
How you doing, my dear?
I'm fine. Now Okonta, you're welcome. I am Okeke's wife, Bore.
You're looking real good.
Good one. Hey, we that are suffering in this village, it's you that is looking good. Look at how you're looking. You are even looking younger than your age. I thought you came back with your wife and the daughter. Where are they? I want to see them.
I'm sorry, they have gone to bed. You know what I'm saying? That's how we sleep in New York.
Hey.
You know what you need to do? Come back tomorrow morning and say hello to them.
Exactly. We will all go back home and come back tomorrow to say hello to them.
Hey, come on. Sit your ass down. I said sit your motherfucking ass down. Sit your black ass down, motherfucker. I'm not done with my story. What the fuck wrong with you?
You were even telling the story.
Man, I was telling them beautiful story about my life.
I'm interested.
Go grab a seat and listen to my beautiful story.
Yeah.
Yeah, go back there somewhere and get you some sleep. Okay, okay.
What's sleeping them now? It's already late, Anyway, they are adults. They can even take care of me. How am I even bothering myself?
Oyibo lifestyle is good. Just check out. People have woken up since the day is far gone and they are sleeping.
I'm you. So this is where you are and we went to your house to look for you. By the way, where are you people here?
We went to your house now, we did not see you. We now said, let us come and try our luck here. Just to check on you now.
Oh, are you angry?
Can't get what I see you. You're not happy we're here.
Angry, but it's not my concern if you come or not come. It's just that, oh my God, it's still very early in the morning. They are still sleeping. When I go to up and no go cookie away, they are sleeping. No, let's go. Oh,
no, wow.
Let's just come back later.
So this is how Obodo
That is how they live.
Oh, wow.
Go on.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, ma.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning. Are you okay?
Yes, ma.
Don't you girls think it's rather too early to bother us? Huh? If you must be friends with my daughter, you must be of good behavior. She doesn't like friends stalking her. I told you that before, huh?
Sorry, ma. We're actually of good behavior.
We're good, though.
We're good. Sorry, ma. Sorry.
It's just that, in fact, we're already leaving before you came out. Let's be going. But please, ma, do not let Adole know that we're here. We don't want her to be angry.
No, it's okay, you're here. Just help us get water so that we can take our bath.
Water?
Hey.
Yes.
So some milk.
Yeah.
Where are the gallons, ma?
Here, by the house.
Okay. We get the water. It's supposed to. Yeah, we can sit down.
Papa, good morning.
Good morning, my daughter.
Please, have you seen Ujunwa?
Is she not in the house?
No, Papa, I've searched all over the place. I did not see her. Where could she have gone to this early morning now, Papa?
Maybe she has gone to see her friend, the Obodo daughter.
Oh, she left me, right? She left me. I even begged her in the night that I would like to come with her so that I also see this Obodo girl. Now she went without me. What my sister is doing is not good, oh Papa. It's not good. She does not want me to be friends with that Obodo girl, but her plan has failed. Because me too, I also know the way to their house. Papa, I'm going there.
Going where? Come, Nkechi, where do you think you are going?
Papa, I'm going there now.
You people cannot leave only me in this house. At least I need to eat something.
Papa, you should have said that to Jungwa. After all, she's older than me. Papa, I'm going.
Nkechi, come back here. Where's your pant?
You have to stay back and two of you can go.
Me?
Yeah, come on, Tepe too. What's your name?
Oh, my name. My name is Amarachi, ma.
Yeah, Marachi.
Yes.
You stay back, let them go. I need you to do something for me.
Okay. You people should come and be going. Let me have my hands on something. I will join you.
Okay, you'll call later.
I'll be fetching and bringing back.
Okay, no problem. We're coming.
Your uncle and I didn't actually come back with any food stuff. We intend to go out to the cities to get food stuff in bulk.
Oh.
So I'll need you to get me something presentable. I mean, something raw. Can you do that for me?
Raw? Like food?
Yeah.
Like raw beans and rice?
Yeah.
I can even bring ingredients if you want.
That is it. That is it. That's what I want.
Okay.
But I wouldn't want your parents to know about it. Huh? Because my daughter won't be happy if your parents know about it. And that will ruin your chances of being her friend.
Ban. I'm not a small child. I'll not tell them.
That is good.
Let me go and drop this gallon. Okay. Then I'll run to the house and bring it.
Hey! Who are you? Have you come to rob us? Are you a thief?
Ma, I'm not a thief, ma, at all. My name is Nkechi. Actually, I came...
You came to do what? Oh, Amarachi! Where is she?
Nkechi, you're here.
Please tell her who I am. I'm not a thief.
She is Nkechi, a younger sister to one of the guests that left to fetch water.
Okay, I see. Okay.
What are you doing here?
But you don't just bump into people's compound just like that. You don't do that. Don't be rude to me.
She will be leaving now since your sister is not here.
It's okay. Since she's here, let her be useful to herself. It's okay. Go get the broom and sweep the compound. Sweep everywhere.
I like to sweep.
Sure?
Yes, I like to sweep.
Oh, that's beautiful. Let's see the Okay, thank you, love. Amarachi, you go to the kitchen and you get the broom to sweep the compound.
Yes, Auntie.
Thank you. Merci beaucoup.
Watch out, guys. Smoke.
Chuy.
Smoke swag, you hear me?
You know, you say he gets one man who enter town. One man who just enter town like this with one of him Obodo Ibo daughter.
Now, Mazi Okunta now.
Eh.
Mazi Ibe, cousin now. You what I go? I just say the man enter this villa with one fine opeke.
Now she. Hey, you know say people we don't see her talk say she be meme. People say if you just come out like this, see that baby, you go Me say as I hear the thing he ring me. At the reason now. At the reason that baby ask me to talk now like this. So.
No good there. No. See, Afiki.
Yeah, Obubu.
As it be so now, as I be here the high, the raise morale. When house smoke finish, I go waka go straight. Go their house. Go check her.
Hey. What do you know now? You know say you know the possible now. You see, when you say all these Obodo Ibo people, you get hard and they take reason. If you just walk enter that compound, now walk at no, by you, and nobody go ask a question. Nobody go ask a question. You that man who do? When you guys wanna do?
The man who cash?
Now do cause us gonna question ya. Now you they talk this kind of thing. That man with those stuff for Obodo Ibo, Who he be we go stay for Obodo Ibo like that man we no go hold do. You see that man too. I even people talk and see that man a popular figure. Then do for Obodo Ibo as you see that man too now you come and call his name. He says I'm on your we know.
But Ebuka, we no fit leave that chick like that now. That baby. See, I say ebi okukonku. O ma fe nefe. If you no cut fowl feather, he go fly now. If you leave that babe like that, guy, one day she go point at her. Ebuka, come on. Not there. You got your comment. Make we cut down. I buy you, man.
Look, that one day.
You don't drink him.
That one day, I buy her.
You buy him?
You see, as you talk now. Just one good place to go to. See. We just this time plan how we go to make that. Yeah. Wait, now what this?
I'm so happy to be here. Do you know, I even have Amarachi in the kitchen to cook their food.
Like, we don't know that. How many times do you want to say it?
Have I said it before?
I did not know now.
Hey, I also saw the mother. Hey, this woman here, she is beautiful. Apunangu, looking like Oyibo people. If you see her dress, oh!
You should be the one telling me. You saw her before you, remember?
Okay. Ngwanu, what about the Obodo Ibo daughter? Was she looking fine too? I learned she's a...
Shut up! Just make sure you get. Can you find me one career? Stop talking. You're making noise. They don't like it when people make noise. Else I will send you back to your house. You're making noise. They don't like noise.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah. But I'm not making noise now. In fact, Ujungwa, I've remembered. Upon her, I beg you last night, beg you, that when coming here, you should take me with you. You pretended as if you have heard. In the morning, you disappeared. Fiam, I did not see you. After that, you call yourself my sister. Did you think this is exactly why I did not want to bring you here? You talk too much. You talk a lot. Ibuka. Yeah, let her come so we'll see her.
Papa.
My son.
Papa.
You arrived so early.
Because I left very early. Can you drink, man?
I am hungry. As you can see, I want to go and prepare our breakfast.
Where is Nkechi? Hanojunwa.
Since last night, Okonta arrived from Obodo Ibo with his family. Your sisters have made their house their second home because of their daughter.
Where are you going?
Who
is Okonta? And the daughter. That Ujunwa and Nkechi. They have to abandon in this house, Abi.
What will I do?
Now you want to go and cook.
Nah, he said, they came from Obodo Ibo and they are in better position to answer you that question.
No, let's go.
Yeah, come look for this side.
Leave it.
They can get it up answer. Papa, I'm coming.
Oh my God. They just,
You have the finest swag of anything I've ever heard. Look at your dress, your shoe, your hair.
Who gonna shoe?
Even your shoe.
That be me.
America. Did you buy it from America?
Yes. Chele, let me speak to you. Huh? Oyibo, I want to talk to you.
Here. Tell her.
Let me talk to her.
Here.
How
dare you touch me with your filthy hands?
Yes!
This kid is broken.
Don't.
Stop! You don't mess! You don't mad? Huh? You don't manners?
Who are those people?
I think you're not afraid.
You are not afraid, Okwagi. You have plenty mind. Obi Kajo, you want to touch Adoledo. Don't try it though. Because your farmland, you will see that you will be grinded like Amuro. Sorry.
I think I should take a bath.
You will. You will bath well. Sorry. Foolish fools in our village. Sorry. It's okay.
That's how we roll.
Popsy, good morning. How are you? Popsy. Oh, come on, Pop. It's not Popsy, it's Popsy. That's nigga's way of saying Papa. You and this nigga rubbish is getting too much. And I know this is what you do in school every day. You don't face your studies. Oh, come on, Popsy. I was not Popsy. Call me Papa. I'm your father. Oh, all right. By the way, where's my elder sister and my mom? Maybe I will understand you when you learn to speak like a human being. Oh, Popsy, stop that shit. I was going to go. Stop calling me that. Right. I was not Popsy. Right. One Papa, I'm your father. All right, Papa. Where is my elder sister and my mama? Where are they? For your sister, I think she has gone out. Your mother may have gone to Maurice's shop. Oh, Maurice's shop, you mean? You know, I'm gonna see Momsy right now, right away, because I miss that old babe. Huh? Just wait, let me drop her bag. Yo! What are you talking? Yeah, I had a mother, that's how we go.
Baba! Hannah wasn't ready. Yo! Just imagine.
Chinedu, Biaba, come here. You are running mad. You are mad, Chinedu. Chinedu, come back here. Chinedu. This is madness. No. This house, all madness here.
That is all they do in this village. They just move about, causing commotion, toasting every girl they come across.
Oh God. You know, in Paris where I come from, yeah, they'll just lock them up in a zoo or something. Yeah.
Really?
Paris where I come from.
In a zoo? Because they have animals.
Exactly, yeah.
I'm very intelligent.
Yes, you
just
are.
like yourself.
Yes, you are.
Amara,
Eh?
where are you people going to? And who is this on your child with two people?
Eh? You asking? You mean you don't know her? She said shut up! Oh. Shut up! Did she ask you?
So, you mean to tell me you are the only person in this village that has not heard that my uncle and his wife and Oyibo daughter in town? I think Achikowa.
Hey! Hello. Hey! You should be one. Hey!
What's wrong with everyone in this village?
I don't know.
Do you want to infect me with your weevil hands and infected body? Oh God, I need a bath. I need a bath.
What did I do wrong, eh?
What did you give me? What have you done wrong? What have you not done wrong? Did you have to touch her? Couldn't you have stayed at a place where where buffalo? Rubbish. I like Rokamia. I don't like it.
I like it, but you do blame. That's Isibakadigi. You're mad. Just look at yourself. Just look at you want to come and touch Adoleto with those leprosy hands of yourself.
Leprosy.
Alana boy. Sorry.
Thank you, stars. My sister, my beautiful sister, interceded on your behalf.
Sorry.
I would have dealt with you mercilessly. I will call the cops to arrest you. I need a bath. I need a bath.
You see what you have caused now, eh? If I slap you, I don't tell that. Yeah, what is going on here?
Where that girl learn how to slap that kind of slap? Even Akuzian Obodoibo.
Guy, no be that babe slap now they pay me. If not that babe slap, I feel receive 10. I feel even receive 20. Waiting they pay me. Now the embarrassment. All those intimidation where those make where they follow, those small local foul where they follow them. Embarrassment where they give me. Okay, they slap, huh?
I like Romeo. Cha. She just carries on like she's better than everybody in this village. And she does not know her limits as well. She does not know.
Imagine, she cannot even come to say hello to her darling. Or did she want to pretend that she did not hear about her coming?
She heard it. She cannot deny it.
She knew, Abby?
She heard it. Almost everybody in this village heard about the arrival. And almost everybody has come to welcome them.
Hell no.
She wants to feel wise. She wants to feel wiser than us that make out our time to come and spend together. Only you. Imagine.
Hey! Just shut up! You guys have been chattering like monkeys.
Don't talk too much.
Vous comprendez?
Chai! You have said another one that I like. It's enough.
The stream is just this way. We are almost reached there.
Hey, we're almost there.
I'm back. When I said Neddy, you said boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. When I said Neddy, you said boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Neddy, boy. Hey, nem. I just came back not quite long ago. I was told by my popsy that my momsy came to see me. Oh, it's not popsy and mamusi. It's popsy and momsy.
Mama.
Yeah.
Okay, your momsy, Abi?
Yeah.
Your momsy was here, but she left minutes ago.
Come on. She left to where?
Kena Jupazim, lady boy in Gamazi. Let me tell you the latest.
Now go ahead, I'm listening.
Your friend Edozie was here.
Hey, don't my nigga.
He went to collect something.
So where is he now? Where is he?
He will be back now.
Upgrade. No! What's up? Now you be this. It's me. Check me out. Check me out. Now me.
Are you serious?
See, have you heard of Davido's latest
track?
You have not? Play. Okay, let me get it. Let me fix it.
Huh? I have the here.
Oh no. All the girls they love my flow. And if you want to come, let's go. Come jump body, come let's go.
Let's song out there.
Dance around. If you want to come around.
Okay.
Dance around. Whenever you flow the sound.
I'm not going to
My baby, I love you, no be now.
I don't feel you, man.
When you dancing, do the sound.
Now where are you going?
I'm coming.
My money.
Papa, you called me?
Yes, I said for you. Sit down.
Hey.
My son, Papa, you mean to tell me you couldn't get a job in the city?
Have I couldn't? All the companies I gave my CV, even the one that interviewed me, not.
I don't know why the system is like this. I thought jobs will come looking for you now that you graduated from the university.
Huh? But you're saying now.
And you even came out with a very good result.
Are you saying now? And good result. I came out with first class. I thought by now, I've been working. But in an organized country, with my result, I have to choose either to work here or to work with this company. But not. But it's just frustrating. I don't know.
This is so sad. Anyway, don't give up. Don't lose hope. I know once there's life, there's hope.
Well, thank you.
You will succeed.
Thank you, Papa.
I don't let go. See, you're going to love it when we get to the street. Do you know that many people from far and near used to come to this village and go to the river because of its many natural amazing food?
Because I have told her all of that.
Really? And what did you tell her? Do you know whether it is something that you forgot to tell her? Then me, and I want to help you and tell her now.
Didn't you hear you? Shut up! Get you behind. I hate you because you don't have respect. You like making a whole lot of noise.
Wait, making noise? How am I making noise now? Hey. I was trying to make a valuable point here now, and you interrupted me. Every time I want to say something important, you people will interrupt me. Because you're always talking rubbish. Rubbish!
If you were not my sister, if you were blue black, I will beat you.
You were not my older sister, me, I would have taken in the bush. No.
Just check out. You don't have respect. Look at the way you're talking to your elder sister.
Just check out the way she is talking to me.
Fiao. All Lego. All Lego, you're rotten. Fia, Makachuku. Thank your star. You're not my sister. Because Makachuku, Nkali Wesigo na Webori Taba. You can't go with us again. You have no atom of respect. You have to go back home now.
You see, no, not going with us. Atom of respect. I am going.
Hey, that's Okwagi.
Hey, don't mind him.
All of you get lost. I said get lost! She said all of you get lost. Monkey, now
she's joking. She's joking. Come on.
Joking you.
I'm an umbrella.
You don't go to your village there. Go to your house. Go and find a cotton for your attack. Because my son can let's just go. You don't even need themselves. You two. Get lost. No, but I'm the one taking you to the stream.
Au revoir.
I'm the one taking you to the stream. Akwanwa. Let's me hold your own. Akwanwa, let's me hold your own.
Hey! Spunky bro.
That's me, brother.
Oh, thank you very much for that drink. It was so interesting and refreshing.
Oh, come on, man. What else do you expect from French wine? You know there's a saying that goes, like an old French wine, we get better with time.
Abotuana.
I got that from Ellis Palace. You heard about Ellis Palace before, right?
I've not heard about it.
Man, what the fuck do y'all niggas know in this motherfucking village? You a dumb motherfucker. You mean you never heard about Ellis Palace?
I have not, no.
Jesus. That is the official residence of the President of France. As a matter of fact, he's been there since 1848.
Oh, Spunky. Are you saying you have also been there?
Man, you got to be out of your mind. As a matter of fact, the other night when I was talking about my story right here, your black ass was sleeping, snoring like a motherfucker, and everybody else was paying attention. Now you ask me some dumb questions, man. Nigga, come on, man. Is it because you know me? Because I'm from this village? You don't know my status, man. You don't know my fucking level, nigga. I don't wine and dine with queens and kings of Europe, man. All the motherfucking celebrities, they know who I am, man. Spunky motherfucking Brown. And I'm up in your town. That's what's up. Yeah.
Don't be offended. Eh? How can you just get offended like that?
Whatever.
You know, in this community, we are so proud to have you around.
You got to be proud, nigga, because there ain't nobody else like Spunky. I'm the only one. Check me out, nigga. Look at me, man. Full of bling bling, swag and everything.
Yeah. All the same, how much are you actually asking me to lend you?
Nigga, when you say lend, it appears as if I'm begging for it. I'm only asking you because I'm going to pay you double. As a matter of fact, I'm going to make it triple, man, when my money comes. Yeah.
It's okay. Don't get offended. Now, how much actually? So that I will know how to plan myself.
Just about 30,000 naira, man. That's all I'm asking for, man. 30,000.
30,000.
Nigga, I said 30,000. Read my lips, man.
30,000.
Said 30, motherfucker. 30,000 naira. That's what
I can't pronounce it the way you pronounce it.
That's what it is.
All you want is 30,000.
Yeah, 30 if you said 30.
30,000.
Okay. Okay.
I will go get you 30,000.
Do that thing.
I'm coming back immediately.
I'll be here with
Spunky Brown, one name.
It's me, nigga.
I'm
the motherfucker. We here, brother. It's me, brother. I'll be waiting on you, man. Shit. What do I do now? Let me hang out outside, man. Wait for you, black guy.
You black monkey. Put Now I miss my country. Because I could have just called the cops. I hate all of that. Now I'm scared. Which way to the river? Which way to the river?
Edu? Yeah. Hey, I'm going to take my phone. Can you tell me the Hey, let's write the song.
Hey! This boy! What did I go say stop? Can you hear me making me see?
Eh? See, make I tell you. Obolo, I know be open eye. See, you just joined this game. I've been there before you. Can't do a chairman about also. When I'm working now, you cool down. I've been there. Let me teach you. I don't know when some things I never invite. You know, you have to invite the ancestors of music, so that you can be able to flow well. Ancestors like Fino, Nigaro, Olamide Bado. You know, I just say Bazzi the men. Lucky Dube, Tupac, Fela.
Before they go.
Wait.
Edu?
Yeah.
Edu? Edu, can you feel me? They are coming.
They are coming.
Which people are coming?
Tupac.
Yeah.
Lucky Dube, Fino, Olamide Bado.
They are coming.
They are here.
Yeah.
This is my inspiration.
Oh, here now. Here in the they are coming. We give inspiration.
You can't imagine how easily I flow when I'm inspired by the spiritual inspirator.
You're deceiving yourself. Edu, you're deceiving yourself. This thing will go. Edu,
shut up.
Smoking will kill you.
Stop preaching that sermon.
This thing will only destroy you, Edu.
If I need sermon, I know where to get it. See, I came out here to chill with you just because I don't want this kind of rubbish from my parents. I hope you are not going to be like them, because I will just discard you from being my friend.
Me? Look. Do you think I'm afraid to lose as a friend? How are you, son? Look.
Edo boy, come now. Edo boy, come.
Edo boy, come. Those here, come.
No verse now. No verse. Ah, Edo boy, na me, na lady boy. God, na lady boy. See, okay, I'm sorry. I will try and stop it.
You wait. Come, get out. No.
You three away the ancestors.
No, back and they go. Same your way. You promise your way.
Okay, no problem. See, you know, have gone far and wide, eh? See, this is no longer the time when you do beat with your mouth. See, I have the beat here. Then what you have to do, you have to be very fast. Whatever I say, you write, because if you mix now, woes.
When you sing, I'll write.
I tell you now.
Yeah.
Okay, just wait. Let me play the beat, eh? When I play, oh yeah, right.
When you sing, I'll write.
The body the sweet like honey. I just want my money. They say them say, just dance say, them say. I'm the baddest. Drinking their sister. Hey, shut up! Shut up! What? So you want me call this in where the ancestors they tell me make I lose and waiting they go talk, you them mad? Come on, sit down! See, if you miss them again, I was. See, all beat you in here. I say right what I sing. Stop distracting me. Where we there? Where we there? No dealer. Say them there. Oh, chilling in the club, not the farmings. All my nigga friends and we balling.
The body the sweet like honey.
Where did they?
I just spend my money.
I don't think it was a good idea abandoning her in that pathway all by herself.
Amara, is she now abandoned? We did not abandon her now. Is she not the one that chased us away?
Yes. Yes, sir. Is it not because of you? Are you not the cause?
How am I the cause? You are the cause. In fact, all of you. You attacked me.
Just check me out. I will your sister. Me more here. Fuck a mad with it. Please. I'm a victim. I don't think this is the right time for us to start fighting and arguing amongst ourselves.
Okay,
shut up. Let's try to work him. What we should be concerned about now is adult lady's safety, not fighting amongst ourselves.
Are you saying we should go back to her?
Of course. We are going back.
Also, no way.
What do you mean? How do you mean no way? You want her to get missing? Would you shut your mouth up for once?
See, right now I'm only concerned about us. No. We all saw how angry she was at us and even threatened to deal with us if we do not back off. If we go there now, she's most likely to shoot us with her gun.
Gun? Shoot. With gun. Does she have a gun? Because does she have a gun?
Hey, no! Hey! I mean, don't know. Don't you know that everybody that stays in Obodo Ibo land, all of them have a licensed gun, no? And if she shoot any of us with that gun, police will not arrest her. Cha-cha! Remember, her father is rich. I'm only telling you people, for your own good. Oh, you don't believe me, Abby?
Edu? Yeah. Hey, I'm going to take my phone. Hey, let's write the song.
Hey! This boy! What did I go say stop? Can you make it easy?
See, make I tell you, Apollo, I know the open eye. See, you just joined this game. I've been there before you. Can't do a chairman about also. When you're working now, you cool down. I've been there. Let me teach you. You don't know when some things are they make you invite. You know, you have to invite the ancestors of music, so that you can be able to flow well. Ancestors like Fino, Nigaro, or Lamido Bado. You know, I just say the men. I was Lucky Dube, Tupac, Fela.
Before they go.
Wait.
Edu?
Yeah.
Edu? Edu, can you feel me? They are coming.
They are coming.
Which people are coming?
Tupac,
Yeah.
Lucky Dube, Fino, Olamide Bado.
They are coming.
They are here.
Yeah.
This is my inspiration.
Oh, yeah, now. Here in the AC. They are coming. We give inspiration.
You can't imagine how easily I flow when I'm inspired by the spiritual inspirator.
You're deceiving yourself. Edu, you're deceiving yourself. This thing will go. Edu,
shut up.
Smoking will kill you.
I'm preaching that sermon.
This will only destroy you, Edu.
If I need someone, I know where to get it. See, I came out here to chill with you just because I don't want this kind of rubbish from my parents. I hope you are not going to be like them because I will just discard you from being my friend.
Me? Look. Do you think I'm afraid to lose you as a friend? How are you, son? Look.
Edo boy, come now. Edo boy, come.
Edo boy, come.
Yeah,
Those here, come.
No verse now. No verse. Edo boy, na me, na lady boy. God, na lady boy. See, okay, I'm sorry. I will try and stop it.
You wait. Come, get out. No.
You threw away the ancestors.
No, Becca, Same your way. You promise your way.
Okay, no problem. See, you know, have gone far and wide, eh?
See,
this is no longer the time when you do beat with your mouth. See, I have the beat here. Then what you have to do, you have to be very fast. Whatever I say, you write, because if you mix now, woos.
When you sing, I'll write.
I tell you now. Okay, just wait, let me play the beat, eh? When I play. Oh yeah? Right.
When you sing, I'll write.
The body the sweet like honey. I just want my money. They say them say, just dance say, them say. I'm the baddest. Drinking your sister.
Hey, shut up!
Papa, so you want me call this in where the ancestors they tell me make I lose and waiting they go talk, you they mad? Come on, sit down. See, if you miss them again, I was. See, all beat we here. I say right when I sing. Stop distracting me. Where we there? Where we there? No dealer. Say them there. Oh, chilling in the club, not the farmings. Oh, my nigga friends and we balling. The body the sweet like honey.
Where did they?
I just want my money.
I don't think it was a good idea abandoning her in that pathway all by herself.
Amara, is she not abandoned? We did not abandon her now. Is she not the one that chased us away?
Yes, is it not because of you? Are you not the cause?
How am I the cause? You are the cause. In fact, all of you. You attacked me.
Just check me out. You know I'm not Jaka. I will strangle your sister. More here. Fuck, I'm mad with you. Please, I'm a victim.
I don't think this is the right time for us to start fighting and arguing amongst ourselves.
Okay, shut up. Let's try him.
What we should be concerned about now is Ado Lady's safety, not fighting amongst ourselves.
Are you saying we should go back to her?
Of course. We are going back. Also,
no way.
What do you mean? How do you mean no way? You want her to get missing? Would you shut your mouth up for once?
See, right now I'm only concerned about us. No. We all saw how angry she was at us and even threatened to deal with us if we do not back off. If we go there now, she's most likely to shoot us with her gun.
Shoot. With gun. Does she have a gun? Because does she have a gun?
Hey, no. Hey, I mean, don't know. Don't you know that everybody that stays in Obodo Ibo land, all of them have a licensed gun, no? And if she shoot any of us with that gun, police will not arrest her. Cha. Remember, her father is rich. I'm only telling you people for your own good. Oh, you don't believe me, Abi?
Please don't eat me! Please don't eat me! Somebody help me!
Maggie! Maggie!
Hey, qu'est-ce que c'est? Why are you screaming my name that way?
Come on, honey. I didn't hear you the first time. Where did you send my princess to?
I didn't send her anywhere. She wanted to look around and I asked the girls to take her around.
You allowed my daughter to live with some girls you don't know?
The same girls that came here to help us out. Her friends.
Her friends?
Uh-huh.
How do you know they are her friends? Margaret, at your age and level, you should know better. These village girls are jealous. They could do something harmful to my daughter.
Oh, come on, baby. They wouldn't do her anything. She'll be fine. Trust me.
How do you know these girls are for real? How do you know?
They will be fine. I didn't say it from that angle anyway.
I hope nothing happens to our daughter.
Oh, she'll be fine.
You know what, man? You're like one of my best homeboys. I'm so proud of you.
Say,
I'm gonna come to your place later.
you better like him.
You know why?
You will come to my place.
You know why? Because you're a good man, just like you.
I'll be waiting.
Okay.
Yeah, honey, what's up? Oh, let's go inside. Honey, what you looking at me like that, like you're about to bust my bubbles? Oh, I'm gonna give it to you double. Come on now. Come on, baby, let's go.
Somebody help me! Oh my God! Somebody help me! Oh my God! Oh God! This is...
It's okay. It's okay.
Please don't eat me! Please don't eat me!
It's you.
Oh, please don't eat me! Please.
Who are you? Who are you?
You're not gonna eat me?
It's you for what?
Okay. My name is Catherine. Yeah, I'm Mazia Konda's daughter.
Okunta.
Yeah, Konda.
People that they just came out from abroad.
Yeah, Paris.
Hey, then what are you doing here alone?
I don't know, I lost my way. I don't know.
It's okay. I will take you.
Promise you're not gonna eat me.
Eat you. Eh? Just wait. Let me go and hide this gun. I will take you home.
Yeah, please be careful with that. Just be careful with that.
Don't worry.
Hi. We cannot continue to be here. Eh? We can't continue to be here. I'm very sure she has lost her way.
One thing I'm sure of is that I'm not going back to her. I am not. She might shoot us so.
Ha!
Me, Chinenye, I'm not even ready to go back there because I am so scared. I can't go back.
Even me. She's very angry with us. I don't want to die now.
Which still brings me back to my question. I said, what do we do now? We cannot abandon her and go home.
I have an idea. Let's go and tell her parents.
Tell her parents, Guinea, that we abandoned their daughter in the middle of the road.
Here. Eh? What do you mean abandon? She's the one that chased us away now. Oh. What else do you want to do? Go there and take a bullet from her? Amara, see, if you die now, you're gone forever. No second chance for you. Cha-cha!
I think Kechi is very right. Eh? We should go and tell her parents. Maybe they will follow her to go calm her down. Eh? Living her out there is very dangerous. So.
And honey, how is that your business? Can't we have men discussion anymore?
You said main discussion? I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
And what the hell are you thinking? Or what you should be thinking? If you're a wise woman, you should be thinking about the welfare of our daughter. Where's my daughter?
I told you. Oh, here they are. Where's my daughter? I know where is my daughter. The thing is what? Where is my daughter?
And I was meant to understand that you old ladies came to this compound and took away my daughter. Where's my daughter?
I hope nothing has happened to my daughter.
Mba, nothing happened to her, ma. It's just that she chose us to turn back and go home. Yes.
What do you mean yes? What do you mean yes? Where's my daughter? You're saying yes. You're rude. I'm sure you're rude to my daughter. You're rude. Baby, she's rude to her daughter. Come on, man. I wanted to follow her away.
You left my daughter, my princess. The only thing in this world that I have. Okay, wait till I get back.
Gone. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. It's okay. You're safe now, baby. You're safe. It's okay, baby.
It's okay, honey, what happened? Young man, who are you?
Good afternoon.
Speak, man. Talk. I'm listening.
I'm Johnson. Mazundukasu. I saw your daughter in the forest too.
What?
Oh my God!
So she now introduced herself. So I now brought her back.
And you told me that she asked you to go.
Hey, no! We wanted to accompany her, Ojo. She said we should be going, that she knows the road. Is there a forest on the way to our... Keep quiet! Keep quiet! Keep quiet! You are rude! You were rude to my daughter! You were rude! You are rude! You are rude, girl! You are rude!
Young man, thank you very much. I'm grateful for saving my daughter.
Thank you, sir.
Man, keep your motherfucking hands, man. What's wrong with you? And you? What are you doing there?
Dubem! Chidubem!
Why are you crying?
Sister, Papa is talking to you. What happened?
Who beat you? Why are you crying? What? What is this? Who did this to you?
Is it not my circumstance that I saw from
What did you do to her?
I didn't do anything to her. I wanted to embrace her and she slapped her face.
Just that? I mean, just that?
Just you want to greet?
And then Maracha and her friends joined her and beat me.
Hey!
Can you imagine those small rats?
Hey!
Beat me up.
Okonta! Nandi Bia Bano Biago! Obehu Nefu!
Yes.
Huh? Come!
Yes.
I can't take this anymore!
Yes.
Come! Let's go! Come!
Now my cousin and her parents are very angry with me. Why wouldn't they be one? I was supposed to be there to protect my cousin. I was not there.
It's not only you they're angry with, though. They're also angry with us because we should have been there to protect our friend.
You shut up. So you still have words in your mouth? After what you have caused?
What did I cause? Ama, why are you always putting the blame on me?
And you're still asking why? You cannot even apologize for what you've done.
What have I done wrong?
You have done everything wrong, Nkechi. You've ruined my chances of traveling to Obodo Ibo with Ada Oledo.
It's not only you that lost that chance. I too. I lost the chance and I'm not happy about it.
Shut up for once. What is wrong with you? This little kid. How did you end up following us?
Please, it's okay, Naya.
Leave me.
It's okay. Don't say anything. Keep watching them intimidate your only sister. Shut up! I think you shut up. Shut up! I will shut up. Go ahead and attack me. Why not join them? What are you waiting for? Imagine you won't side with your younger one. Eh? I'm ashamed of you as an elder sister. You're scared of your mate. Okuya, you think I don't know? I will beat this girl, though. You want to beat me? Beat me! What are you waiting for? Eh? Shameless older sister. Shame! Hey! Ojonwa! You slap me! I'm going to tell Papa. All of you here, you're finished!
What Oledo and her friends did to my daughter? Take a look. Hey, hold on. Who the fuck you think you are? Come over my crib, screaming like a mad dog. Are you crazy? Okota, you don't know me again? Like I'm supposed to know you. What are you, Obama? Jesse Jackson? If anybody should know somebody, it's your motherfucker. What's my name? Don't you ever call me Okota. My name is Spunky Brown. And don't be a clown. My princess.
Ready?
Do you know her?
Oh, yes! Yes! She was the one who wanted to hug me this afternoon with her infected body. Oh, you are the rude girl. You are rude. You wanted to hug my daughter with your stinking infected skin? Oh my God. How dare you? You are rude. You are a rude girl. What are you doing here anyway?
No, wait a minute. She came with the police to arrest my daughter. My princess.
What wrong did I do by trying to welcome a sister that returned from Obodo Yibo? Who's a sister? You're rude!
You're asking me what wrong did you do?
You're rude!
And you're still standing there, looking at me, wondering what the hell you did wrong. Just 1 minute. I'm gonna let you know everything that you've done wrong. Wait till I get my gun.
Nothing. Just forget about it. Nothing. But I'm far from that. Abia. How do you see her? That girl, that.
Who?
That Mazokonta's daughter.
Mazokonta. Is it Adoledo?
Yes. Adoledo.
I noticed you've not been yourself since you came back from their house.
Really? You noticed?
No. Are you not my brother again?
Hey.
Chalukwa. Don't tell me it's what I'm thinking. Agwakwanam.
What are you thinking?
Have you fallen for her?
What do you think? Is she not a beautiful girl? She's beautiful now.
Bodamo. Adoledo is indeed a very beautiful girl. But both of you are world apart. Adoledo was born and bred overseas. Obodo Yibo. Hey! But I'm not eh? You don't Obodo Yibo. If you mean a fenenu, on efe, or quanemu, you need a name, vam. Hey! Chineke. But even in your dream, you've not seen it before. And then her father very wealthy and influential. Woke ojikatalego, woke bona dimpa puta, oputa gidigba. Okwa akulu. Then you want to get my daughter. But please, wake up from this dream. Teta no labiko.
See, if our hearts can find this love that my heart has gotten, that is, Munya, will build a beautiful world. You know, even if one, that's it, guys. Now, you know, love covers all things now. You are talking about the class difference. When I build all over, I got water.
Vodabo.
Now go get you.
Vodabo. Vodab the shop.
I got water. Just try go there. Go there.
Well, I love your dream.
Thank you.
Even more about Jungwa, I would, love Adoledo to fall in love with my brother. Oye Kambozi. One Nedi Adoledo. I mean it. I wish for it to come true.
Have you?
I mean, today you made a very good impression.
Yes.
See how thankful they were to you. But who knows? She might have fallen for you too.
No, Bago.
Okay. You're fine. Anyway, that's there for you to find out. But now, come. Let's do you guys. Oh,
Sister, I think that what happened was entirely your fault.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Just, what don't you understand? What's not that girl? That beautiful Oyibo girl I saw you want to embrace. That girl. Sister, Mama, if you know, Ariana, I'm making a kitchen. You will I call Uboga. I call it a Kogunani. When we chant Aria, on my child screen, yeah, that have beautiful skin, Sister, you better apologize to that girl because I will rejoice. I rejoice. Want to be a friend to her. I mean,
you are mad. I should go and apologize to that stupid girl. Oh, that nonsense girl.
Sister, you not nonsense. I mean, you not nonsense. What can I take his side? When I crazy, we are going.
Oh, you're taking side with her. I'm not taking side.
Amala proliwem. Anya, let me understand you clearly. You mean to tell me that you actually took your daughter to Sprankling Brown's house? To do what? To show him what his daughter and her friends did to my daughter. Of course. And after that, what happened? Okay, Kewanna. Okay, we pulled out his gun. Just to, he actually shot me. Why didn't he kill you? What did you say? You heard me right. Yes. You heard me loud and clear. Your daughter came back and told you what happened, and you sat down and judged her to be innocent, Okwaya. What is wrong with my daughter trying to embrace her sister that came back from abroad? Chief Judge. Judge now. What is it your daughter has in common with Adolid? Look at your daughter that I know. Embrace Adolid. She went to embrace Adolid with her quarter infested body. Okay. Listen, you should be careful of the things you do in this village. Mind the things you support. Embrace Adolid. Listen, you should make sure the villagers do not hear about this. Else, they will stone you to death. Why? Why they will stone you to death is that your eyes are deceiving you. Are you not man enough to see the complexion? Olid, Bonya with a embrace. Listen, it is either you take this advice and don't tell anybody, or sorry.
You again?
Yes, my princess.
Who's the princess?
Sorry, I don't lead.
What are you doing here?
I was actually worried, you know. So I decided to check on you.
Je me porte bien. Merci.
Très bon.
Did you just say that?
Yes.
Where did you get that from?
I had a friend in school those days, you know.
So, I know that face! Aha! That's you. I know you! You were here a couple of hours with your father and sister and made a whole scene in my father's house. What are you doing here? You can go. Yes?
I came with this little gift. As a friend to you.
A friend? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, a friend. Did I hear you say a friend? Where do I even start from? Your hair? Jeez, what's all this? You want to be my friend? You're not even up to my staff in Paris. I mean, I've got 1,000 staff working for me, and they all do all those all them designers, Gucci, LV, Ferragamo, and then you want to be my friend? Oh God!
I promise to upgrade my princess. Let me talk to your taste.
Let me have that. It's okay. You're in. But just change all of that. Just change them. Your hair, your top, just change everything.
I promise.
Oh, good.
I'll change.
Upgrade like you promised.
Yes, my princess.
Shoo! Just go.
The boy. Edo on the track. Yeah, give it to me. I'm a lady. When you see me in your area, you're gonna help me. You're gonna throw down. You're gonna puzzle. You know what I mean? When it's crazy, I'm a knee. How are you? Yeah. In Moscow. The girl. Come around. Yeah. Yo. If you hit me, yo, I'ma hit you back. Yo, give it to me.
Go on, man. Don't stop, man. I'm feeling you, man.
Really?
Give me the beat, brother.
You give me the beat?
Yo, man, hit me with the acapella, man.
Come on, producer, give him the beat.
Yeah, my brother, if it smell like fish, you better eat what you wish. But if it smell like cologne, you better live with the fuck alone. I may be the king. I might be sitting on the throne, but I don't want to be alone. Like the man in my trombone alone.
That's my real nigga.
Yeah.
Jesus. That's the man. You take this?
Do I?
You're good. Wow. Oh, this is the spirit, my nigga. Oh my God. My producer.
That's the main shit right there.
You're a good man.
Yeah.
See. As a matter of fact, you are a genius.
Yes.
This is my uncle, man.
Your uncle?
He just landed this land a few days ago. Yes, he's the popular American rapper, Spunky
Brown, nigga.
Spunky Brown, yes.
I am Mr. Brown and I'm up in your town. Wow. When you see me, you gotta bow down.
Hey, that's my uncle. You see, uncle,
Uncle, you know me now. My name is Nedu, and I go by the name Nedu Boy as my stage name. You know, it will please me if you be my manager.
That ain't no problem, man.
I'm
here for you.
Are you serious?
Anything I can do to uplift your career is my forte.
Hey!
I'm here for you, man.
Who am I?
Yeah.
Uncle, I'm Dozier.
Okay.
I'm also aspiring to be a music producer.
Okay. Okay.
I'm not a fat self. I am Lady current producer.
Okay.
We're just doing some rehearsal before you walk in.
Listen, man. Anything I can do to help your career is my forte. Huh? Do you feel me, man? Anything I can do to help y'all niggas, man, I'm here for you.
Hey!
You ain't got no problem.
Uncle, man!
Hey!
Hey, Uncle!
You know why? Because I'm the man of the hour that got the power to shower every hour. Not no motherfucking flower. Follow me.
Is in the town. Come on, everybody get ready. Everybody come boogie down. Say spunky. Everybody say spunky. Yeah. Spunky Brown is in town.
Spunky's in the hood. Everybody's gonna feel so good.
Spunky Brown is in town.
Spunky's in the hood. Everybody's gonna feel so good.
Spunky Brown is in town.
Spunky's in the hood.
Spunky Brown, nigga. That's my motherfucking name. Before you put your ass in shame, then you have yourself to blame.
Spunky's in the hood.
Now, nigga, on your knees. And don't say please, because I got the keys.
Spunky's in the hood. Everybody's gonna feel so good. Spunky's in the hood.
You're looking young and edible. That's incredible, but still believable. Spunky Brown is in town. So y'all need to bow down, unless you want to be a clown.
Yes, young man, what can I do for you?
Good day, ma.
Oh, I recognize that phrase. You are the guy that brought my daughter home.
Yes, ma.
So what are you doing here?
I
hope you don't want to exploit that opportunity to get close to my daughter.
No, remember, no.
So what are you doing here then? By the way, what do you do for a living?
I studied chemical engineering from Futo Owerri. And I'm been looking for a job.
I see. You're a job seeker. That means you're jobless. A jobless young man wants to get close to my golden daughter. I'm sure you don't even know who you want to get close to. She's a master degree holder from Oxford University, London. She speaks 4 major different languages: English, Latin, French, and Portuguese.
Wow.
Oh yes, wow. Now you can see she's not of your class. My daughter is cut up for high rankings and not people like you, church rat like you. You're a poor boy. You can see. Now get out of my compound now. Out! Out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out!
Finally, I'm not friends with kids. Now I got Jesus style. Now I got just style. You buto you. Now susuni. When I'm doing back, I'm on toss the cha. I'm going to be.
Rejoice. Did you see the money I kept under my pillow?
Money what? I didn't say any money.
didn't see any money.
Hey, what is the meaning of this? I am talking to you. Where's the money I kept under my pillow? Huh?
Sister, I didn't see any money.
Rejoice. Don't pretend. I know you are lying. I can see it in your eyes. You better go and bring my money or else. Hey,
Sister, it's the else. Imagine, sister, can you father? Chineke, Obodo Ibo. Let me keep this Obodo Ibo. Can you father?
Can't get my money, oh. I can't give money to hotel me. You better go get my money, oh.
Sister Megan. Sister Waya. Imetu makakita. You don't buy. Imetu makita when you kuaji si. Take a kwami si.
Stop it! You are fighting with your sister. Are you crazy?
Let her hit it on me.
Oh yeah, get inside. Get inside.
You better go and bring my money for me.
Which money? Which money?
Which money are you talking about?
Joya.
Papa, she stole my money.
Huh?
She stole my money that I kept under my pillow.
Is that true?
Papa. I'm the place. I'm money is so cool. I'm not get a church on. Finally, I'm not friends with kids. Now I got Jesus side. Now I got just start you to you. Now Susan me. I'm the back come on toss the cha. Bagonya beach.
Rejoice. Did you see the money I kept under my pillow? Money
what? I didn't say any money. I didn't say any money.
Hey, what is the meaning of this? I am talking to you. Where's the money I kept under my pillow? Huh?
Sister, I didn't see any money.
Rejoice. Don't pretend. I know you are lying. I can see it in your eyes. You better go and bring my money or else. Hey,
Sister, it's the else. Imagine, sister, can you father? Chineke, Obodo Ibo. Let me keep this Obodo Ibo. Can you father?
Can't get my money, oh. I can't give money to hotel me. You better go get my money, oh.
Sister Megan. Sister Waya. Imetu makakita. You don't buy. Imetu makita when you kuaji si. Take a kwami si.
Stop it! You are fighting with your sister. Are you crazy?
Let her hit it on me.
Oh yeah, get inside. Get inside.
You better go and bring my money for me.
Which money? Which money?
Which money are you talking about?
Joya.
Papa, she stole my money.
Huh?
She stole my money that I kept under my pillow.
Is that true?
Papa, I'm the place. I'm money is so cool. I'm not get a church on.
Are you sure? Oh, motherfucker, I need you young. I hate your mama. I hate your papa. I hate your sister.
Whatever.
I hate it. Yo! This fucking bro!
Sorry for keeping you on.
Yeah. We're so busy.
I can't wait to gather more experiences from you. I want to be a famous music producer like Don Jazzy.
What the fuck you talking about? Gather more experiences. You ain't got no experience, motherfucker. You can only gather what you have more. Or what you have at all. You ain't got shit. I tell you what, I'm here to brush up your black ass so that you can be the best producer Nigeria ever had.
Thank you. Uncle, thank you. Uncle, what about me? Can you make a best rap artist out of me?
Man, what the fuck are you saying, brother? What you talking about, man? That's what I'm known for, nigga. I done made rappers all over the world, man, from France to America. As a matter of fact, I got these white kids that I made professionals and their parents pay huge money. Huh? Yeah. Big money. Man, look at you. You think I did this shit for free? Of course, big money. I charge them huge amount of money because they got it. Yeah. But you know what? I'm not going to charge you no money because I know you ain't got it. Because your niggas broke like a mother. So I can only allow you to pay what you can afford.
Pay?
I'm still going to be the one to, sponsor your musical career.
Are you saying you will sponsor us?
Man, nigga, why do you think I'm back in the village? I'm here to help the less privileged. But everything will jumpstart the very day my money arrives in the village, man.
The money is not here.
No, my money is not here yet. But you know what? I just need a little bit of cash to do one or two things, you know what I'm saying? So, do you guys have any money with you?
Yes, I do have money.
Oh, wait a minute. So you don't want to be a rapper? No. Okay, that's all right, that's all right. If you ain't got no money, that's all right. And what the fuck is this? Man, this ain't shit, man. Go home and get some real money. You know how much I charge them over there, man? I charge them in dollar and euro, man. You're talking about 5,000. Now that's bullshit, man. I ain't gonna take that. Go home and get some more money. Meanwhile, give me this. Huh? Make it fast now, come on. I said make it fast.
Brother, you're back from Holiday's house so fast. You didn't even get to spend time with her.
Okay, how do you know that one?
Eh? Do you think that there is anything hidden under the sun? Well, Nkechi saw you walking towards their house. She told me.
Nkechi? Where is that parrot, sir?
As if you don't know her. Here she comes. Brother!
Come, oh yeah, come here.
Brother!
Beba.
Brother, what did I do again now?
Must you announce to the whole village that you saw me going to the house? Must you? What is your sister?
Brother, is that what is paining you?
What if I didn't go there?
But that is where you went to now, brother.
Come on, shut up, my friend. Can you
na back in the Tibu mad? Eh? Are you going to kill somebody?
Ma, Kwamo, you don't look happy. Hey, brother, tell us, we are your sisters.
This is not.
Yeah. 24 kwano, slow kwa.
Can they go there? No, na baka simaka.
You think she's a snob or so?
So not really. It's not like.
Sister? It's not really. What do you mean not really, sister? Everybody knows that Adeoledo is a big snob. Big one, no. You might not know, but me, I know it because I'm her friend.
Are you the only person that she's her friend? Eh? Is she not my friend as well? Eh?
Oh, brother, are we talking who is her friend and who is not her friend? Eh? I'm just explaining.
Because stop talking rubbish. Shut up your mouth. Everybody in this village knows that I have a special relationship with Adeoledo. Money have 5 and 6.
It's enough. It's a special
5 and 6. Open the phone today.
Brother. This girl, brother, she can dream for the village. Eh? You and Adeoledo are 5 and 6. Hey, Ujungwa, you're a cheap liar. Eh? Brother, they don't have anything. It's me that is close to her very
Come, will you shut up before Mama Gaya?
Shut up! Brother, hold me up! It's because of you, brother.
Shut up.
See, brother is holding me now. Brother, I don't like
Shut up, my friend.
Hey, yo. This is too small. But that's alright, it's not a problem. Out of the goodness of my heart, I will accept it. I've always been a philanthropist anyway. Before I proceed to teach you the ethics of making good music, I want you first of all to understand the status of this next standing before you. What I'm trying to say in effect is that I'm going to give you a brief history of my life. How I struggled as a young man before I excelled into rap game. I know you all want to hear my story.
Yes.
Good. The man standing before you was the same man who left this country for France at the age of 27.
27 years.
Before I go any further, I want both of you to know that pretty soon you're going to be going to overseas with me.
Huh? Oh yeah. You're going to be performing before
big crowd, man. Guess who's going to be there, man? Nicki Minaj, Beyonce, Jay-Z, even Kanye West, man. But guess who's going to be there too? Who? My brother from the other mother. Rick Ross, the boss without a loss, man. Rick! Yeah, he gonna be there. You know what I'm saying? But let me tell you something. The part of my story that will inspire both of you the most, okay, is the part from the age of 22 to 40. My brother, at 22, music found me, man. I found music. Huh? All I wanted to do was become a successful rapper. You know what I mean? At the age of 29, I dropped my first album. It became a hit in France, America, all over the world. And the title was One of These. One of These. The line goes like this.
Hello, baby. Excuse me, baby. Are you guys okay?
Yeah, man. All right, guys. You know they say ladies first. I'll get back to you.
Okay, baby.
Why now? Can't you see I'm trying to relate with my boys?
Baby, I need money.
Like this man is lying, no? Nah. First album, wanna be.
I'm going to Maurice's place. I need to give her money to get us something for tomorrow's food.
Did they tell you I'm plucking money from the trees, man?
Oh, baby, I need the money for coke.
Okay, how much money do you need?
3K.
What?
3K, baby.
You think I'll pluck money from the trees, baby? What the fuck are you cooking with 3,000?
Bring down your voice, baby.
You're rude, baby.
I'm not rude to you, baby.
Rude.
I'm not rude, baby. Oh, come on, baby.
Okay, I'll tell you what. I'll give you 2,500.
No way, baby. No way, baby.
Baby, that's all I have. Take it.
Hi, guys. You okay?
Yeah. All right, guys. You know what? Let me go in there and freshen up a little bit. I'm coming back. Okay. The story continues.
Okay.
Yeah. Yo, nigga, let me feel the beat, man. Let me hear something from you.
Uncle, you see, this time I'm gonna make you proud.
Yes. Go ahead, man. Let me hear you.
Just tell him to
give him the beat, man. Huh? Give him the motherfucking beat.
Okay. Don Jazzy, Abiakola Nozo. Tika. Ka. Tika. Ka. Tika.
Now the boy on the track, by the way. Hey yo, 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 hey yo.
Man, cut it off, man. What the fuck is hey yo, hey yo? Man, that's all you can do, nigga. You want to be a rapper? Let me break it down to you, man. Do you know what rap is all about? Nigga, rap is love, man. Rap is passion. Rap is the language. Rap is attitude, nigga. Rap is hate. Because sometimes you say something niggas don't like, but they know you're saying the truth. They hate you for that. So, nigga, you want to do rap, man? Check this old motherfucker out, man. Let me show you what time it is. I am Spunky Brown. I'm about to break it down to you. Come on, give me the beat, man.
Okay. Don Jazzy. Tika.
I'm your brother from the other mother that knows how to put the trigger. I make a nigga shiver. Run down to the motherfucking river. I wanna catch a motherfucking fever. Hey! Uncle! That's what I'm talking about. You know what I'm saying? That's how you roll, brother.
See, Uncle, this is pure foreign.
You can say that again.
I'm going to try it.
Let me see.
You know, we do it local, okay, like Two-Face and Davido. But you don't go use your own block my way now.
Come on with whatever, man. Okay, whatever.
Just listen. I'm from my mother. I'm not your brother. Mother.
Hey, shut the fuck up. Sit your ass down, nigga.
Mother.
Sit your motherfucking ass down. You see, when I was 37, that was the year after my wife came to join me in Paris. You remember? Man, what's wrong with y'all niggas, man? You're tired of listening to my story?
No, sir.
Yeah. When I was 37, my wife Where the hell is this woman coming from by this time of the night? Hey!
Hey! These guys are still here? What are you guys still doing? Oh, come on, it's late, baby. They should go home.
Take it easy. These are my boys. They love my story. They want to know how I changed my story to glory. You know what I'm saying?
But they should go home. Their mama will look for them, honey.
Hey. Y'all want to go home?
No.
Hey, you guys don't be rude to me. You go home now. Come on, run along. Go home.
Honey, please don't
run
do that.
along. Come
Honey,
on.
listen. I was just having fun.
Oh, it's late, honey. They should go. Run along.
No, honey, please.
No, uncle.
Run along.
See you tomorrow, man.
Go. Don't be rude. Don't be rude to me. Go. Baby.
What's up with this now?
They shouldn't be rude to us. It's late. They should go home. Baby, come. Let's go inside, baby.
Man, I was just having fun, man.
Oh, come on. They should go. It's late, isn't it? Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby.
If that woman no come out, tell you for the deal.
You don't die. See, as I'm talking to you now, so you want to tell me that if that woman hadn't come now, we will still be there? On accusing foreign raps, on accusing the madam.
Guy, this is not a big punishment. As they see me so, hungry they wire me. Peace they wire me. Guys, sleep they wire me too. I don't know how you go tell them. I we don't want to talk to them. I don't know how to talk. I don't know whether I think it produce. And I can't go to.
See, gente can go as he stands now. On accusing maybe she go.
Now so go. I can't go because I laugh the man they do for one.
What you doing at my place at this hour?
Sorry for bothering you at this time of night. I just want to say something to you.
Just stay there, please. Just stay there.
Sorry, I'm here. I'm here. I just want to, express myself, communicate my feelings for you. Right from the first time I saw you, I lost part of me. I'm deeply in love with you.
Oh my god!
Sorry.
Oh god! Oh,
I know I sound so stupid, but that's the truth. That's the truth, and I promise to make you happy.
You make me a lady happy?
Yes.
OMG! You've got what it takes to make me happy, do you?
Yes, I promise. Even if I don't have money, I'm actually working hard towards it. I'm a promising young man. I am full of dreams, and I have a brighter future. Just give me a little chance.
Just stay there, please. Oh God.
I'm here. Just give me a chance. Let me just build a future for us.
You've got a bright future?
Yes.
In this village? What's that your name again?
Johnson.
Whatever! Listen to me. We ain't of the same class, okay? We ain't of the same class. So just go somewhere. Probably one of those village girls who chatter every day like monkeys. Just pick one of them, please. I've got loads of guys, okay? I'm booked. I've got
Chris Brown, I've got Jay-Z, I've got Kanye. You know, I give Kim K a run for her money. Yeah, that's me. I give her a run for her money. So, just go. Anyway, how much are those? How much are those? What's that? Yeah.
They're locally made here.
Those rags. Oh my God.
Listen, okay? I was meant to understand that graduates in this country are jobless.
Yeah? So owning a certificate isn't a guarantee that you've got a bright future. So just go home, okay? Listen, let me tell you. I've got this for $1,000. You see this, my shirts? I've got them for $2,000. And these for $5,000. We ain't of the same cast. Just go, please. I said, oh my God, what's my cell phone? Just go. God. Oh my God. You darling, yo, jeez, I can't believe this. You just heard this. I can't even take it. Oh God. Jeez. Come on the door, please.
You people can't tell me that you don't know where my money is. Amara, that money couldn't have grown wings and fled.
So you are calling my name and asking me because your mind is telling you I stole it. When did I become a thief? Mama, Papa is accusing me of stealing.
Amara, calm down. That's not what your father is saying. Nai, have you asked your son Chinedu?
Oh.
I've not set my eyes on Chinedu since afternoon. By the way, where has he been?
Papa, isn't even. Hey. Mama, please head to the kitchen. Get to the kitchen. I'm very hungry. Please, I'm dying.
Chinedu, where are you coming from?
He's dying.
Mama said I'm hungry. You're asking me, Chinedu, where are you coming from? Go and give me food.
Chinedu, where is my money?
Ha! Papa, which money, kwa? Which money are you talking about? Because we musicians, we don't steal.
The money I kept inside the drawer in my room got missing this afternoon. Somebody stole that money. Who is that thief?
If somebody stole your money in your drawer, that somebody is definitely not me. Because I've been in Uncle Konta's house this afternoon now. You can ask me if you want to. I've been there trying to build my life, my musical career.
Chinedu, are you sure you don't know your father is saying?
No, I don't know.
So, all of you, nobody knows where my money is. Eh? Waka pilot, who are happy? No problem. I know what. Definitely I know what. Come on.
Nobody knows what Papa is up to now. Oh. Chinedu, if you know you're the person that stole this money, better come and go and bring.
Hey, Amachi, don't give me that. Don't give me that to put money away so mama I can't. Okay?
Don't come on. Me check on about. Me check on.
Mama, give me food.
Bring which food? Let me tell you, I go beg. By the time hunger wire you, brother, you will find your way to the kitchen and help yourself. In Achonli, did you keep any wife here?
So, Mama, it's not the mother in this house, eh? That she will not trouble and meet or not. Okay, I will finish that photo. You're talking. I'm trying now. You are talking to me. Why are you doing that? Hey.
Amara, are you trying to say that she's not been talking to you since then? Talking to? I wish. She has used to see me.
The other day, I even went to her house. She dodged me. I am very, very sure she dodged so that she will not see me.
Hey, Iminiriya. Hey! Do you know, I was even thinking that after that day, the next day, Hola Teta, she would just forget and forgive everything.
So I thought.
But it was all your younger sister's fault. She wouldn't shut her mouth for just a second, even when an elder asked her to. She talks too much.
Hey! Your sister can talk on behalf of the whole village, oh. She will talk and talk for the whole day and will not get tired. In fact, one nigga want to know okuro ranine. Fiakwa. Hey, Zina. You talk about the devil and the most are devils in your front. Then she's coming. Why does she always come to say the same thing? Oh no, where am I back? I know you are angry with her, but please forgive her. Oh, please.
You said forgive.
Forgive her.
If Amara will forgive her, I, Chineye, will never forgive her. I know she's your younger sister, but I will never forgive her.
Me, I will never forgive her. I will never. Never!
And why won't you forgive me?
And why should I forgive you?
Because I know you people are trying to reconcile with that Oledo. And it's only me that know the way to make that work.
And wishes?
Just tell me you are forgiving me first. I know.
Chineke.
This your sister is very, very bad though. She has arrived with a new scope. She has a plan. You have a plan, Etiko. You have a plan.
What if your plan does not now work? Guinea-Amezia, then you would have succeeded in gaining my forgiveness for nothing. Uyuri.
Trust me. It will work. No. Just tell me that you are forgiving me. And I'll disclose it to you. You see that the way we work.
What are you guys doing here? I told my dad I don't want to see you.
We are very, very sorry for what happened the other day. It was our fault. We agree it was our fault.
Yes. And you think that will make her change her mind? She said she doesn't want to see you. Don't!
We're sorry, ma. We're sorry. We're sorry. Sorry.
We are very sorry. See, see this gift. We even brought it to show you how sorry we are. Oh, talk to your daughter. Oh, we are still your daughter's friends.
Hey, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't be rude.
Sorry. Oh, sorry. See, we brought this gift to show you how sorry we are. We are still your daughter's friends. It was our fault. No. They also say to err is human and to forgive is divine. Don't be angry.
Oh, it's okay. I think that will do the magic.
She will like it.
Let me have it.
That means you've forgiven us now, eh? Yes. And that lady will also forgive us too. No?
Merci! No, merci. With me now, you people I used to talk too much.
But you don't know your plan has worked. Maybe we chieftain title. Okay, please let's go.
Merci, that make it work now.
What are you doing here? I heard your father came here the other day and made a scene with that your useless, nonsense, rubbish, nonsensical sister.
The whole village heard of what people came here.
Everybody heard it.
But I've reconciled with her.
What are you doing here?
I've reconciled with her.
It's not reconcile. That's a big lie. You have not reconciled with her anything. Will you get out of here before I bite your ear? Yes.
Touch me and she'll come and fight you.
Peter, you do. Peter.
Wonder what is keeping Amara and the others.
Don't worry. They'll soon be here. They know where we normally meet. Onne.
Okay.
Snap me. Me too.
Hello.
Hey, brother.
How are you?
Hi.
Adolid.
My princess, my brother is calling you.
How dare you touch me? Are you bad? Ada!
Those fence you use for snakes and bush meats and all of that in the bush. Please.
Ada?
Bush monkey. What?
You just slapped my brother.
He deserves it. Why should he touch me?
You shouldn't have done that. It's not right. Hey! You just embarrassed him. And you still don't realize it.
Really? Oh, please, just cut me that. He shouldn't be touching people. Touch. With those hands.
Oh.
Filthy hands. Buffoon.
I dislike you for this. Okay.
Look at these people.
I dislike you for this. In fact, you've lost me.
Oh, like I should cry.
Yes.
Like I should start crying. Are you cool, huh? Oh.
Hey, take a look at my brother. Hey, this is why I hate that girl so much. I hate her guts. Hey, she's so arrogant, so full of herself. What does she even think she is? Eh? Is she the only black girl that been overseas? Sister, it's not only that she has been abroad though. She was born and bred there. And so? It's not easy, sister. Is that why she should look down on other people? She is beautiful. You are not beautiful? Hey, sister, I'm beautiful, look. That's not what I'm talking about. She's educated, yes. Her father is rich, yes. Yes. But she is also human. Eh? Madu ko bono. And they should treat others as such. Hey, sister, I still cannot blame Ada Oledo over what happened today. Eh? For God's sake, sister, it's not everybody that likes to be touched unnecessarily. Not to mention the fact that brother now went and touched her. Eh? Are you taking sides with her? Are you taking sides with her? I am going to tell brother. He will beat you today. Hey, sister, come back, come. Sister, come. Hey? Sister, I'm not taking side with her. I'm just saying things from the way they are. As it is now, brother has spoiled my opportunity of traveling to Obodoibo with the girl. That's what I'm saying, sister. That is what is paining me. So what are you going to do? Are you going to go and apologize to her? Ha! Sister, if that is what it's going to take for me to stay attached to her and finally get to travel to this Obodoibo with her, no, me I'll do it though. To fear what? What are you saying? You will not try it. You don't have shame. Eh? Nkita nei onwulawu. Nkechi, a nonsense girl that embarrassed your elder brother. Look at his condition. You want to go and apologize to her. Don't tell me you're that foolish. You want to be as stupid as Rejoice. Sister, if what she did was wrong, I would have known and said so. But in this case, sister, it was out of your mouth. From Fijere Gakita. You dare not! I will spit your mouth now! Come on, shut up your mouth!
Hey! Shut up!
No. The last time she was there, I heard she went with the mother.
Mother kwa? I'm sure she didn't have fun at all. Because I'm sure the mother did not take her to the interesting part.
Oh! Really? They've got interesting places in the market?
Oh! Plenty, oh. Of course, I don't let you. We have a few places of funds around our market and our village. Eh? I know everybody that knows it.
Woo! I would love to go there and, take some pictures because I've got friends of supermodels like Iman, Tyra Banks, Alaquek. Yeah, Iman is actually my best friend. Oh, I love you. I miss you, bestie. I love you. Yeah. Oh, okay, that's fine. Let's go.
Let's just... Where is she coming from now?
Not the Polonia. They mind her.
Oh! Did you saw it?
With the knife? That is true. You have joined these people. You know what I mean?
Let's start going home right now.
Sister, we are going somewhere.
are going somewhere with these losers.
Ndala! I beg your pardon? They find her now. And she called me a loser.
Shadow, or mistake? Yes, you called me a loser.
What will you do? Sister! Don't stop, buddy. I don't know what I'm going to be a neighbor. So you're not looking for trouble. You have to go. You have to go. I'll take over that you're not looking for trouble. So what if I'm the one looking for trouble? Can you get my mother to get me?
Listen to me. I think people like you belongs to the lunatic home. You know where that is?
I know the meaning. The mad people. I think I should call the cops on you. I think I should do that.
I need to call the cops on this girl. Cops. Oh, I forgot my cell phone. My cell phone.
Lock you off. You better go home now. No matter what it is. You cannot get you think I'm afraid of people? You should not give up. Who am I to be there? I'll bear myself. I'm ashamed of you. Shame on all you people. Shame on you. Shame on you. You that cannot join us. My wife said you said you cannot go work it. You better stop with your right. Yeah, I'm learning this. Yeah. I know. I want to walk like this. Strike a pose.
Oh, Dandilo! I don't know who the girl is.
Overseas.
Yes.
Yeah, what up, man? Yeah, Noko. You are welcome.
And this is Cow. This is my brother's car.
This is your car? Yeah, this is my last baby, man. Yeah, that's what's up. You're welcome. You guys are looking right. I don't like your t-shirt. Alright, you know what? My new name is this. Eriwa Guagu. Oh, go watching Eriwa Guagu na Venezuela. Again? Eriwa Guagu na Venezuela. Yep. Hold on, let me. Venezuela.
Everybody is right. Ujumwa. Yes. It's fine, Ujumwa Sam. Amara, Etu. Everybody's fine.
Dad is cool.
Yeah.
Dad, always cool.
Oh, Dad, Papa.
Johnson, when did this happen to you?
This afternoon, Papa. She humiliated him in front of everybody. I was so angry. I even got into a fight with her.
Johnson, is it true?
Yes, Papa. It's true. But everything was brother's fault.
Please shut up your mouth.
Parrot. Onoba. Who asked you? I'm talking to Papa.
Papa, can we forget this?
No. Don't tell me to forget that. If truly that girl humiliated you, then you have no option than to do everything possible to stay far away from her.
Yeah.
Because I wouldn't want that stupid girl to humiliate my own son. Not in this world. Okonta, or what did he call himself and his family? I don't know what they feel like.
In fact, they are so full of themselves.
Very full of themselves, Papa.
Yes.
You need to see the way that girl carries herself. Oneko. Legally. Hey! I don't understand it at all. I don't understand. I got out of cha-cha.
But she has gone to Obodo Ibo now. She was born there.
Pride, it flows in their blood. It's in their family.
It's awful.
That stupid girl or that stupid Okonta of himself, I don't know what they think they are. As if they are the only people that have been to Obodo Ibo. Thank God Mazi Okeke's son that has been to Obodo Ibo for a very long time. He returned today. And that is a proof for them to know that they are not the only people that know the road to Obodo Ibo. Yes, that young man, he came back with a flashy car. He even sprinkled money. When I say money, dollars to whoever that came to visit them. Yes. And we are yet to see Okonta's bicycle. Single bicycle, he didn't come with it. He keeps telling people that this tomorrow, the next tomorrow, this will arrive, that will arrive. Without anything. I don't see what I'm waiting here for. I have to go straight to him and collect my money.
Did he borrow money from you?
Yes, of course. That is what he does. He keeps borrowing money here and there, promising people that he will refund their money whenever he changes his dollars. That is what he does.
Wait, Chalo, wait. Is it possible that that man is fake?
They cannot be fake.
I don't think they are fake.
No, they cannot be fake.
I believe maybe the man traveled abroad now. You know, he spent so much money there and made so much money there. And coming back now, he's now trying to like change money, you know, currency problem.
I know about currency. I feel about currency.
And it's not affecting me. You know, it's not easy to change money.
Bam! They are not fake.
Maggie, if I slap you, Limbada. Papa, I don't think they are fake. They look so
Yeah, Johnson, whether they are fake or they are real, that is not my business. All I need from them is my money. My hard-earned currency. There's no point wasting time. I'm going straight to them right away to collect my money.
Go and get your money.
Go and get your money.
Papa, leave it to me now. Papa, I hate that. Papa, it's risky. I hate that girl. Brother, don't listen to me. I don't know what that girl feels like. I hate her. Hey, see what you're I hate you.
Dollar ebeni na bulego emano batago onatago odogu jero podo ibo onatago odogu jera porodo spunky anatago onatago odogu jero podo ibo onatago odogu jera porodo spunky anatago. Onatago, odogu jera porodo, spunky anatago.